Do you want to make viral reel videos for your business or niche? If so, I have the best strategy for you to convert your reels into viral reels for your business. Keep watching this video till the end. Hi, I'm Ravina. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I talk about everything related to digital marketing and digital marketing growth. I help influencers, businesses and entrepreneurs grow their digital marketing strategies based on crucial algorithms. So before I get started on the steps of how to create a viral reel video, let me tell you why reels are so much important right now. Reels gain the maximum eyeballs to your profile based on its reach, and Instagram is promoting profiles that are using reels frequently. So if you use reels for your business and niche to grow your Instagram, it is going to catch numerous eyeballs, leading to increase in followers, which will in turn lead to increase in engagement. And if you have a viral video, it also generates more followers, simultaneously generating more engagement to your platform. And as we noted in the previous video, engagement is key to Instagram growth. So hence Instagram reels are this important. Let's dive into the steps of how to create a viral reel video. Step 1 is to look out for trending musics, effects and trending sounds on Instagram reels. If you are not from India, you have the privilege of having access to TikTok audios as well. So if you are on TikTok, save all those audios, music that are going viral or are trending at the moment in your particular country. Once you have a bank of sounds, then we come to then we need to brainstorm, which brings us to our step 2, that is brainstorming your content that you are going to post on your reels. So basically, to be very frank, you cannot be dancing on Chhaya Chhaya for your business. So how do you use this concept that is going viral weaved into your business? So for example, if I am a digital marketer, there is this reel that is going viral which says what someone says is converted into quotes. So I can use this as what client says converted into quotes. And if you want to see more ideas, go follow the links in the description below. You can see a bunch of reels that I am inspired from, and also a few reels that I have created myself based on my niche, that is digital marketing. Hence you can brainstorm ideas based on whatever you think you can relate to with this particular audio or effect in your business. So coming to step number 3, what is a viral content? Viral content is something that is most shared, most viewed and most engaged with. So even if you have 10 views per reel and suddenly you are getting 100 to 1000 views per reel, that means that reel is your viral reel. So based on your account's growth, you cannot aim for 100k reel video just at once. It will come, but you need to grow gradually, and hence your viral content will also grow gradually. But if you can get 100k, good luck with that. So how to create viral reel videos based on a niche? In this, you have to get a bit creative. You have to entertain a larger audience that is within your niche. So as I spoke about in the previous step, content, what does a client say converted into quotes. Now this video or this reel is relatable to everyone that is working in a digital marketing agency or as a freelancer or as a graphic designer. Everyone can relate to this. Even the accounts department of a digital marketing firm can relate to this video. So it is niche based, but it is also covering a larger audience, which makes it more shareable, more relatable, and hence creates more engagement. Now you have more engagement, which leads to more views, which leads to more shares, which in turn leads to more followers. Hence you are growing your Instagram profile virally with 1 or 2 viral videos. So if you've watched so far, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you like the whatever I've said in this video and it helps you. Comment below what kind of videos you want to see more. If you want to see more reel videos, Instagram growth videos, digital marketing videos, let me know in the comments. So create multiple options or variations of your reels on a particular sound. This will increase your chances of going viral with a particular sound. You can twerk content. You can take inspiration from other creators, what they are doing. Do not copy paste. Create something of your own, but you can surely take inspiration. Use one audio multiple times. That will increase your chances of going viral. So that is the bonus tip for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.